Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download Adobe Illustrator for free on Windows or on Mac. So the process is most likely the same for both these operating system. You just have to go to Google and search up Adobe Illustrator. Here you'll find both of their official website. It doesn't matter which one you click on. I'm just going to click on this bottom one here. And you'll see that there's a 7-day free trial of Illustrator. So you can get the full app with the latest update and you won't be charged after your free trial ends. Do note though that there's this timeline here, right? So once you start the free trial, it'll start until day 7. And then when day 8 starts, you'll be charged from your credit card. But if you cancel within the day 8 and day 28 time span, you can get your money back, right? If you're not satisfied with it. But essentially, during the 7-day free trial, you can use Illustrator for free and you can download it as well. So if you want to download it for free, click on this button here, start free trial, and then you'll be prompted to pick a subscription base here. You can pick whichever one you'd like. I'm going to click on continue, right? Wait for it to load. Click on continue again. And then in here, just enter in your credit card details here, right? After that, you'll be allowed to download Adobe Illustrator. But as you can see right now, to now it's 0. So you won't be paying anything. It'll be for free. And then you can essentially download Adobe Illustrator for free after you entered in your credit card detail and then click agree and subscribe here. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.